isn't easy. Every word, every line, every glance, every movement to improve and refine, then refine each improvement. By bit, putting it together, piece by piece, working out the vision night and day. What it takes is time and perseverance, dealing with details along the way.
Dealing with producers' interference,
Waiting for the author's disappearance,
filling in the holes with animation,
covering the flaws in the construction,
lacking any scenic ostentation. This is not a Drury Lane production.
working for a tiny compensation, hoping for a thunderous ovation. The art of making art is putting it together, bit by bit, part by part, fit by fit, start by start, stride by stride, kick by kick, glide by glide, stick by stick, side by side, by side, by side, by side, by side. And that is the state of the art.
Urban, sexy, contemporary, cocktail party, martinis, fun.
It is a story of two couples at a dinner party, a younger couple in their 20s and a couple in their 40s, and once the wine gets flowing and the truths start being told, the music and the lyrics of Stephen Sondheim begin to reveal the delicacies of the human condition.
How are you? Fine, Katie. There's always a woman, the hand in the till, the $3 diamond, the $3 bill.
So now the fun begins.
When Brenda and I sat down and looked at the score and looked at what we wanted to do, we really wanted to make it contemporary in 2012, relevant to today.
Putting it in a loft apartment in Chicago, where it could be in Wicker Park, could be in Bucktown, could be South Loop, West Loop.
As far as orchestration, we're really excited about our pit. We're doing a grand piano, which would be myself, a percussionist, and then an upright bass. 3-person pit who are actually in the space. We're at the party, we're in the room, we're part of the party, and we're all reacting to what's going on.
Yeah, you could have stopped me at any time. All right, so before we kick this off,
Here at Porchlight, we pride ourselves on discovering new talent, and in this production of Putting It Together, we're going to be introducing you to some new faces right alongside some veteran Chicago and Broadway performers.
So party! Everybody rise! Rise!
free to call the two, free to say if you don't know work or play, you can have the mood.
But nothing's better than the moonlight.
but only moments no more, because
Sondheim is passionate. He's passionate about everything that has to do with being a human being. About what makes us great, about what makes us monsters, about what is just ridiculously funny about a person, and what is joyful about being a human being. He's passionate about everything that makes up what a person is.
Sondheim's work always poses the questions and not always has the answers. It might pose a problem without a solution.
I would say that there's color, a lot of color. A lot of his left-hand movements have a lot of jaunting things, which are really harsh, like reds and oranges. And then you have these sweeping right-hand figures, sometimes with like yellows and blues, and these beautiful sweeping patterns.
Putting It Together shows how Sondheim has had a sense of consistency over his many, many years of composing, and how all of his songs relate to each other, and when taken out of context from their original source material, are able to create an entirely new piece, which in this case is called Putting It Together.